The Trojan horse, a lesson in cunning and strategy. Over 3,000 years ago, the Greeks faced an impossible challenge: the impenetrable walls of Troy. For 10 long years they fought and failed. But then they hatched a plan so cunning it became legendary. The Greeks pretended to surrender, leaving behind a massive wooden horse at Troy's gates. It was a gift, or so the Trojans thought. Inside, hidden warriors lay in wait. That night, while the Trojans celebrated their supposed victory, the Greeks inside the horse crept out and opened the city gates. The Trojans were caught off guard, and the city fell. The Greeks didn't win through brute force, but through cleverness and strategy. This story isn't just ancient history. It's a timeless lesson. Strategy and thinking outside the box can turn the tide in any situation. The question is, how can you use this lesson in your life today? Sometimes it's not the strongest who win, it's the smartest. Be bold. Be strategic. Be unforgettable. Like and subscribe for more epic myths and legends. It's original.